Ready to join the ever-growing world of YouTube? With the right plan and persistence, anyone can learn how to become a YouTuber in 2023. YouTube remains the second most visited website globally, with a staggering 1.7 billion visitors each month. To become a successful YouTuber, you need dedication, creativity, and a strong understanding of YouTube SEO. The foundation of any successful YouTube channel lies in identifying a niche that reflects your passions and skills. This allows you to create content that resonates with viewers and drives engagement. To set yourself up for success, establish clear goals for your channel. Whether that is, a specific number of subscribers or getting ad revenue. This involves creating a content calendar or schedule to ensure consistency in your uploads. This will boost your channel further. Creating high-quality video content. To truly stand out in the YouTube world, it's essential to produce high-quality video content that will attract and retains viewers. Optimizing your YouTube channel page. By creating a professional and visually appealing channel page, you'll make a strong first impression on potential viewers. Crafting compelling video titles and thumbnails is essential for attracting viewers to your content. Eye-catching thumbnails are equally important for drawing viewers to your content. Leveraging YouTube SEO for maximum exposure. Utilizing tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, and Google Trends can help you identify the most effective keywords and trends to bring in the most traction. Building and engaging your community. Building and engaging with your community is vital for maintaining your channel's growth and success. Additionally, actively engage with your audience by responding to comments, creating polls and surveys. Don't forget to share your content on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, where you can reach a wider audience. Monetizing your YouTube channel turns your hobby into a sustainable source of income. The YouTube Partner Program is an opportunity for creators to access resources, monetization features, and help from support teams. Exploring alternative monetization strategies. It's essential to explore alternative monetization strategies. This can include merchandise sales, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Becoming a successful YouTuber in 2023 is achievable with the right planning, dedication, and adaptability. So, take the leap, dive into the world of YouTube, and start building your empire today.